ready to ditch cable and score every touchdown this Thursday. This is your fast-track guide to watching Thursday Night Football, or TNF, right on Amazon Prime Video. First things first, you'll need an Amazon Prime membership. If you already have one, awesome. If not, head over to Amazon and sign up. They often have free trial periods, so be sure to check that out. An Amazon Prime membership gives you access to Prime Video, free shipping, and a bunch of other perks. Now, let's talk devices. Amazon Prime Video works on practically everything. Think smart TVs, phones, tablets, laptops, streaming devices like Roku and Fire Stick, and even game consoles. Just download the Prime Video app on your device. Once you're in the app, look for the Live TV option in the navigation menu. On game days, you'll see Thursday Night Football prominently displayed. You can also search Thursday Night Football in the search bar. While you are watching, Prime Video lets you pause, rewind, and fast-forward live games, which is great for catching those instant replays. Want the best viewing experience? Head into your settings and adjust the video quality. Higher quality means a sharper picture, but it also uses more data. That's it. You're all set to enjoy Thursday Night Football on Amazon Prime. Grab your snacks, put on your team jersey, and get ready for some football.